Hey guys, what's going on? Back again with another video. As you can see, it's going to be a Panini Prizm draft picks from 2020 box opening, and it's about $20 at Target or Walmart. Back in the day, again, this is a couple years old now, but I still wanted to open it. I guess the rookies at the time were Anthony Edwards and LaMelo Ball, and you don't get any guarantees, I believe, for this. So again, back in the day, I used to get like maybe 2 guaranteed hits, but I think for now, since the last few years when trading cards have really gotten popular or even more popular, that there's not too many guarantees anymore. I used to get like 1 hit per box, but that's kind of changed. And I have Fortnite in the background. About to play some games after this. So again, with that being said, this is called a blaster box. You get 4 cards in a pack, and you get 7 packs, so that's 28 cards. Hopefully, like I said, maybe there'll be a hit, but you're not guaranteed a hit anymore. So again, 4 cards per pack. They're all pretty thin, so I can tell you right now there's no relics in here. Actually, they do. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say I think Prizm doesn't have relics, but I think they do have relics, which are jersey cards and patch cards and stuff like that. So here's pack number 1. I'm gonna try and keep the packs nice and not ripped, so I can throw them back in there, have a nice place to store them. So I think these are pretty much all rookies. James Wiseman, rookie card. Denny Advija, rookie card. And our first, I guess technically maybe a hit or short print of sorts, Nico Mannion from Arizona. And then our Crusade card is Jaden McDaniels. So that was pack number 1. Actually, before I go any further, let's see. Look for autographs from the hottest prospects. Blaster exclusive purple wave and green pulsar. Look for ultra rare downtown inserts. The reason is I just want to see how rare maybe green is. Here's the back of it. It's not numbered. Or if you were guaranteed like 1 short print per pack. Base Prizms, green, silver, purple, wave, green pulsar. Okay, so that's just green, it looks like, nothing fancy. Here's pack number 2. Again, I'm going to try and keep it a little bit nice so I can throw these back in there. Okay, Global Prospects, Hampton, RJ Hampton. It has a line going through it, as you can see. Here is an actual Prizm card, short print Cole Anthony from North Carolina. Patrick Williams and Obi Toppin, which I think by now, I think he's a little bit successful. The name is very familiar. Just trying to see. Okay, so those are all base. So you do get like 1 kind of hit. Not really a hit, but 1, insert, I guess is the best way. Or 1 short print per pack. Jordan Nwora. Peyton Pritchard. And we do get a purple. Oh, wow, really? Purple Pulsar or LaMelo Ball. They probably had this box for a couple years. That's crazy. Well, I don't know if it's a Pulsar, and it's not short printed, so I don't think it is. Maybe a purple wave. How crazy is that? And I never even opened this box. I've probably had it for a couple years. That's crazy. That's nuts. Jaden McDaniels. That's pretty crazy. That's probably maybe the most popular card back then. Maybe I'll look online. I mean, it's not short printed, so that's probably Purple Wave, not numbered. Pulsar Green would have been numbered. A couple Crusade Prisms and stuff would have been numbered. So that's pretty nuts that I happen to get the best card there. Or the most popular player, I guess. Devin Dodson, Cassius Stanley, and Zeke Nanji. Green, and Jameis Ramsey. Pretty cool hair. So that is that. So that's pretty crazy. We got a LaMelo Wave, I think it's called. And Xavier Tillman. And a Green Crusade Obi Toppin. I thought maybe this one would be short printed, but it's not. Looks pretty cool from Dayton. Isaac Okoro and Zeke again. So that's all the base there. Got 2 left. And Aaron Naismith. Rookie card. Tyrese Halliburton. And this guy, Akanwu. Green Prizm. Is that, wait, that's actually that's, all right, no, they're all right, those are all Prisms, okay. And Paint and Pritchard, I think I said that already. So last pack, hopefully we get something nice, maybe a numbered card, an actual numbered card. Aaron Naismith again. RJ Hampton. Green Prizm. And Ashton Higgins. And Ashton Higgins again. Wait, let me see something. Huh, that's crazy. Back to back. Trying to figure out if one is numbered or not numbered. Sometimes that happens. Pretty cool. So obviously you're gonna get a lot, or back then you got a lot of base cards, which are really nice. And these are the hits. Really nice hits. I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna have to look this up, see if this is worth anything. A rookie card, LaMelo Ball, or I guess with anything you hold on to it. If he gets like, you know, most improved player, I don't think he's ever really gonna get an MVP that I know of. But that's really cool, hard to have. All right, I'll see you guys there.